we bring to you the Cushows Memory Foam Anti-Snoring Pillow, which is elevated at an angle that manipulates the angles of your head while you sleep so that your airways always remain open during the night. Made out of premium memory foam, when you put your head onto it, it takes the shape of your body, and when pressure is released, it regains its shape back. This cover is made out of premium viscose yarn, which is extremely soft and gentle to your skin. So then, what are you waiting for? Why should rooms be different when hearts are one?